Ever wondered how to cook the perfect steak every time? Reverse searing flips traditional methods, starting low and ending high. Today we're breaking down this technique step by step. Reverse searing starts with gentle heat in the oven, cooking the steak evenly and consistently. This method prevents overcooking the interior and ensures every bite is perfectly done. Unlike traditional methods that start with high heat, reverse searing begins at a low temperature. This allows for precise control over the internal temperature of the steak as it cooks slowly and evenly. The final step involves finishing the steak with a high heat sear. This creates a golden brown crust through the Maillard reaction, enhancing flavor and texture without overcooking the meat. Dry brining and adding aromatics can further enhance the steak's flavor. By allowing the steak to sit in a dry rub, you intensify its natural flavors before cooking. Reverse searing is not only about achieving a perfect crust, but also ensuring the steak remains tender and juicy inside. This method gives you control over both texture and flavor. In summary, reverse searing starts low in the oven to cook evenly and ends high on a pan for that perfect crust. This technique is simple yet effective, making it one of the best methods for cooking steak. Now you know the secrets to reverse searing a steak. Are there any other cooking techniques you'd like to learn more about? Drop your suggestions in the comments.